Let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we're demystifying how to find those tricky neutral wires for absolute beginners.
This is exactly where everyone freezes up. You open that wall box and think, wait, do I even have one?
See, old school switches just interrupt the live power. They don't need constant juice, so older homes simply lack visible neutrals.
All right, let's look at the steps. Safety first, guys. Flip off that breaker, remove the old switch, and peek inside.
First up is a super simple visual check. Basically, just try spotting any white or light gray wires hiding inside. If you spot a bundle of white wires twisted tightly together under one nut, that's usually your neutral line.
Visual check a bust? No worries. Method 2 involves safely testing the wires using a handy, non-contact voltage tester.
And hey, the best part? You absolutely do not need to be a master electrician to safely pull this off. With your hands completely clear, just briefly flip the power back on. Then use your tester to check those wires.
The hot wire will beep or light up your tester. The neutral wire won't. It's literally just process of elimination.
So armed with these bite-sized tips, which beginner-friendly method will you confidently tackle for your next home improvement